Today, we're going to focus on how to manifest wellness with 8 affirmations. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay to the end for our motivational quote. I feel good today. I can restore my health. My health improves every day. People notice improvement in my health. Every day I feel healthier. Today I manifest wellness. I am vibrant. I practice healing rituals. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.